Facts about the history of cryptography. Cryptography is the practice of securing communication through codes, with origins dating back to ancient Egypt. The Caesar cipher, used by Julius Caesar, is one of the earliest known encryption methods, shifting letters by a fixed amount. The Enigma machine, used by Nazi Germany during World War II, was one of the most sophisticated encryption devices of its time, cracked by Alan Turing and his team. Public key cryptography, developed in the 1970s, revolutionized secure communication by allowing two parties to share a public key for encryption while keeping a private key for decryption. Modern cryptography relies on complex algorithms like AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, to secure data in everything from emails to online banking. The Vigenère cipher, a polyalphabetic cipher, was used for centuries before being cracked in the 19th century. Quantum cryptography promises to revolutionize the field, making encryption theoretically unbreakable by using the principles of quantum mechanics. Steganography, a branch of cryptography, involves hiding information in plain sight, such as within an image or a message. Cryptanalysis is the art of breaking cryptographic systems, and it has been central to military intelligence throughout history. Blockchain technology relies on cryptographic methods to secure transactions, ensuring that records cannot be tampered with. Encryption is crucial for protecting personal data, with GDPR and other regulations requiring companies to secure customer information. Symmetric encryption uses the same key for encryption and decryption, while asymmetric encryption uses different keys. Modern computers use cryptographic protocols to secure everything from e-commerce to virtual private networks, VPNs. Cryptography has evolved from ancient ciphers to modern encryption methods, playing a critical role in securing communication and data in today's digital world. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.